Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the pound yen is still heavily in a downtrend on the higher time frames. So that means that any move we see to the upside could very easily be a crescent to the last move down. Now we have one impulsive up. I would label it as an A, but I would always also keep in mind that it could be a wave one. We have corrective down, wave B, but I always try to keep in mind that it could be a wave two. I'm expecting to see a wave C, which would potentially look something like this, go up to a fib level and then turn down. But there's a chance that it could turn into a wave three, especially looking at some other yen pairs and maybe even go up and give us a break of structure. So if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would be recommending longs. But while you're looking for longs, if you see it go up to a fib level and break structure to the downside, which it could happen at any one of these fib levels, then I would definitely exit my longs and even go short because the higher time frame trends are very heavily down. And the higher time frame trends, usually if you trade with the in the direction of those higher time frame trends, you are almost always more likely to have profitable trades. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.